Welcome to our channel. Establishing a specific savings goal makes it easier to stay motivated and track your progress toward financial objectives. Here's how to set one up effectively. Step 1. Define what you're saving for specifically. Whether it's an emergency fund, vacation, new car, or down payment for a house, having a clear purpose increases your commitment to saving. Step 2. Research the actual cost of your goal. Get specific numbers so you know exactly how much you need to save. Add a buffer of 10 to 15% for inflation or unexpected expenses. Step 3. Set a realistic timeline for achieving your goal. Consider when you need the money and work backwards to determine how long you have to save. Step 4. Calculate your required monthly savings by dividing your total goal amount by the number of months until your deadline. This shows you exactly how much to set aside each month. Step 5. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for this goal. Keeping the money separate from your everyday spending account reduces temptation and makes tracking progress easier. Step 6. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings goal account. Schedule these transfers immediately after payday to ensure consistent progress. Step 7. Name your savings account after your goal if your bank allows it. Seeing house down payment or dream vacation on your account makes the purpose tangible. Step 8. Track your progress monthly and celebrate milestones. Create checkpoints at 25%, 50%, and 75% completion to maintain motivation throughout your savings journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.